Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Ford Focus gear knob. This simple DIY task can refresh your car's interior in about 15 to 30 minutes. You'll need a new, compatible gear knob and possibly a plastic trim removal tool. Having the right parts and a few basic items makes this process smooth and straightforward for anyone. Now, let's get started by removing the old gear knob. First, ensure your car is parked securely with the handbrake engaged. For most Ford Focus models, the knob simply unscrews. Firmly grasp the knob and rotate it counterclockwise. Keep twisting until it loosens completely, then gently pull it straight up and off the gear lever shaft. With the old knob removed, it's time to install your stylish new one. Carefully align the new gear knob with the top of the gear lever shaft. Push it down firmly, ensuring it sits correctly. Then, begin rotating the new knob clockwise. Continue twisting until it is completely tight and feels very secure, usually requiring several full turns. Before you hit the road, perform a few quick checks. Shift through all the gears, including reverse, to confirm everything operates smoothly and without obstruction. Make sure the new knob is firmly attached and doesn't wobble. This easy upgrade takes less than 30 minutes and significantly enhances your car's interior feel and appearance. Enjoy your refreshed Ford Focus.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.